James Kaufman will report today, January 8th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at footage over Los Angeles, specifically over the Pacific Palisades, but there's more than that here. This is last night after midnight Eastern time, so this is going to be about 9:30. We have two orbs or craft over the fire here. The news person themselves don't or can't identify them, but I think we all can. The same company, Thule, who said that they are the expert in laser technology associated with satellites, and they're the leader in microwave technology, laser and microwave technology, and they make these orbs by crossing two laser beams. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if they're also the leading manufacturer of microwave weapons, what do y'all think may have occurred here? Y'all can see this. This is after midnight, so we shouldn't be able to see much of anything except for the fire burning. But there you go. There's one pink orb spinning, and of course there's another blue orb spinning right above the fire, as y'all will see here. What the F is that? And they're saying this on the television, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that, well, you know what I believe. Two orbs right over the fires in Los Angeles at 12:20 a.m. in the morning. We all know what that is. Thale Corporation. The same corporation says that they are the experts on lasers, satellite lasers, and microwaves. God bless you and yours. Last time I did that video on Thale, they took it down. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.